Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to hide who you follow on X. Okay, so actually making your account private on X is the only option if you want to lock down a following list. So let's open X and let's make account private. To do that, you need to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in the side menu, you want to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to tap on privacy and safety, and from here select audience and tagging section at the very top of the screen. Now here, the first option that you will see is that what we need. This feature is called protect your posts, and let's turn it on. So this feature is responsible for making your account private. And now from the moment that you enable this option, non-followers will not see your following list. And additionally to that, your posts are now private. That means that only your approved followers can see your posts on your page. And if someone new wants to follow you on X, you will get follow request. If you can find it if you tap your profile picture in the top left, and here from the list of sections you will go to follower requests over here, and from here you can manage your new followers on X. So unfortunately making your account private on X is the only option if you want to hide who you follow on X. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.